She's gonna be out of breath before she gets there. Uppercut, come on, jab, jab. Lower cut, jab, jab. What's the rest of those words they use? Come on, jab.
Shake that butt. Woohoo!
Feet work, come on.
Check.
Jab.
Hit it.
Uppercut. Get them ribs. Come on, use that left hand.
Back away from the TV.
Come on.
Before you hit the TV.
Come on, lefty.
Forward.
Kick it, Grandma.
Hit it, punch it. That's your kids.
That's 5.
That's your son. That's my husband. That's your husband. Jab, jab. Uppercut. Block. Oh, shit.